The Wealth Advocates simplify the financial world and show you how today's events could affect your financial health so you feel confident about your financial future.
Good morning, Wealth Advocates Nation. It's great to be back with you. I'm here with Ammon Doman. We're going to talk a little bit about tips and tricks and investment basics. Ammon, what should every household know about managing their money to get ahead?
Because when you get ahead, there's a lot of peace of mind that comes with that, right? You have your money that's going to be working for you instead of you having to continue to go to work to get that money. So, for example, if you have $100,000, that's invested at 5%, which is a pretty conservative number, you're going to be making $5,000 a year on that money. It's $5,000 that you don't have to go into work for to get that's yours.
So, I have heard, and correct me if I'm wrong, one of the secrets to success is to make money while you sleep. What does that mean?
What that means, well, it's exactly right. That is the secret to success. I love that. But what that means is essentially what I was saying, which is while you're sleeping, your money's making money for you, right? Rather than you having to punch in, check into work and punch in that clock. So
early in my career, the income was 100% the time that I put in. And that's the problem is I have a finite number of hours I can work. And even bigger problem, a compounding problem, if you will, is I don't know how many hours I truly have. And so if my household income is 100% determined on how many hours I can put in, that's a big question mark. Right. And so setting up either side hustles or investments or any sort of asset that compounds my money while I'm not working seems to get me further ahead. What kind of things should people be looking at?
Yeah, the easiest place to start is investing in the stock market. That's a great place to put your money. That's a great place to gain interest over time. There's obviously risk and reward involved with all of that. But that's something that we're happy to help and happy to discuss with people.
And maybe they ought to start by asking their employer what investing tools they have available. That could be a 401k.
That's right.
It could be a simple IRA. It could be a Roth. It could be an IRA. But the government really wants people to save money. And so they incentivize you to save money in those type of vehicles. The way they do that is every dollar you put in is tax deductible. And the way the employer incentivizes you is in many scenarios, every dollar you put in, they'll match that dollar.
That's right.
So you put in $1, the government discounts it, the employer matches it. You just got 3 times ahead by putting that $1 in. And as you said, they're making money all the time. Now, the stock market doesn't make money all the time, does it?
No, there's ups and downs in the market for sure.
Yep. And the ups and the downs are really what creates it as the least expensive, most efficient way to grow wealth, correct?
That's correct.
Yeah. What else should people be looking at to make their money grow?
That's a great question, Patrick. They should be looking at, like you said earlier, different side hustles, things like that, just ways to generate just income.
What's crazy right now, and something I haven't seen in the last 12 years of my career, is fixed income. I can go to the bank and I can ask for a money market account. Now, a money market account is a savings account. It's an overnight deposit. I can put the money in tonight. I can get it tomorrow.
All right.
But right now, those money market, and this is the end of 2023, so we should timestamp this and say, let's qualify this. But right now, I can put money in a money market account, and I can get more than 5% per year on that.
Yeah.
That's that compounding number you were just talking about.
That's right.
So a no-risk solution is great. If you're comfortable, if you're young, and if you've got enough time, a riskier solution might be even better.
Yeah, that's correct. So all great things to think about, Patrick.
So listeners, take this away. We got to find ways to make money while you sleep. If you're interested in this or anything else, give us a call at 435-755-9400. We love educated clients. So we're putting a checklist in the link and description below so you can come up with some ideas on investing basics. Have a great afternoon.
Thank you for listening to the Wealth Advocates. Join us every month by subscribing on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or Google Podcasts. You can also look for the Wealth Advocates on Stitcher and YouTube. Want more information about today's topics? Reach out to John or Patrick directly by visiting wealth-advocates.com.